welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm finally going to give you an update on our renovation, how it's going, what does our apartment look like right now. We are far from done, but at least now we have a full working kitchen. Most of the rooms are close to done, and now we have started on the bathroom. But still there's a lot to do. Like in all rooms there's something missing, lists are missing, details, floor is missing, just a lot still missing. And it's really dusty here still, because as you know we're still working on the apartment, so every day I'm going crazy from all the dust. But what can you do? Breathe. This video is in paid collaboration with Nova Floor. They are the ones we chose to get our floor from. We couldn't be more happy with our herringbone floor. It is so beautiful. The color is just amazing. The first weeks when we installed the first pieces in the first rooms, I seriously laid down on the floors and just I wanted to kiss the floors. I wanted to like hug the floors, if you can hug a floor well. I was just so happy with it, and I really recommend you to go to Nova Floors, one of their places where you can actually see the floors, because at first I was thinking that before we even moved, I was thinking that I want a light herringbone floor, really almost white. And then when we came there, I had checked online like what do I like, and when we came there and I saw it, I was like, no, this is not me, not at all. And I was going through the floors, and then when this came, it was maybe this big, the piece that I could see, and when I saw it I was like, that's my floor. It was really amazing, that feeling. So yeah, but I shouldn't talk anymore. But as I said, this video is in paid collaboration with Nova Floor, and I'm so happy with their service and the quality of this floor. It's so beautiful. And now let's start. And as always, I have to show you what I'm wearing. I'm actually going to the gym after this, so I'm just wearing some sportswear. Just some leggings, love this brown color, and this college sweater. So yeah, but let's look at the apartment, and as you can see already, it's so pretty. So if we start from the door in the hallway, we haven't done a lot here as you can tell. The only thing that is new is these tiles that I'm so happy with. The color looks very cold now in the camera, but it is like a sandy beach almost. I really love it. It's super cute. But overall here, the only thing, like we use this as storage. Here is everything concerning our renovation, the floor, the toilet, the mirror for our toilet, like everything is just a big mess, but we try to keep it up against the wall so it's not in our way at least. And we have the new closets here, but as you can see they're not really in their place yet, and we still need to cover them up and build them in. And here we are going to take down the ceiling so that we can put spotlights all over here so it will be light. Here is still missing, like we will have a bench, maybe a mirror, I'm not sure, but something here is gonna change as well. This is not going to be here when we are done, but this is now just temporary so we can, you know, live here. On the other side we've installed pucks. This used to be a storage room, but now we took down the wall. It was here, about here, and so we could open up this space a little bit, and now it is a bit bigger, and we still got a lot of storage here, but we are not happy. The idea is to paint these white, so this is not going to be like this anyways, but we think we would like to have a mirror wall like those that you can, these you open like this, but we would like those that you can just, you know, go with like that. So we are probably going to change those, but at least this is now looking a little bit better now than what it used to do. or what it looked like in the last video that I showed you. So, but now when you come from the hallway, you get straight into the kitchen, and this is what it looks like at the moment. And then we have the living room, some of my ring lights here, and this is now living room. We have the kitchen island, we have the dining room and the kitchen. Here the bathroom will be, and as you can see we are still working on that one, and it's so messy, so I'm not gonna show you that one, but things are happening finally, so hopefully next video I can start show you, or update, I can start to show you a little bit what's going on there or what will happen. So hallway, that goes in there. Fridge, freezer over here, just messy. But the kitchen, you guys, oh I'm so happy with the kitchen, and it's so pretty. I love the color, and it's so I'm happy how we made it, because it's really like comfortable and logic. I feel like everything works so well in here. And then we have the matching bookshelf over there that I really love, and the floor, you guys, it is so beautiful, so beautiful. Like, look at that. Wow. And the living room, we are still working on it. As you can see, we have actually, yesterday I painted that wall once, and we only have like a temporary like table here for the TV. The TV will come up on the wall, and that's going to be like our TV bench, but as you can see we have not yet built it. Then we have the mirror that you could see already, super cute. Perfect for this living room. This one will go. We need a smaller one because that takes too much space here. As you can see, we don't have a living room table yet, so the floor is working as like, yeah, the floor, and together with some parts from the kitchen, is working as our table at the moment. But this is the living room right now, and I really love it. I think it's so cozy, even though we still haven't like done everything, but it's growing, and I definitely want to, I can feel that it's a bit cold, no, not cold, but white sometimes, so probably going to try to see if I can get in more colors here. Not colors, but you know, maybe change the curtains to beige curtains or something like that. We'll see. And then I'm gonna remove that. It's just temporary because it's going out from here. So if we move on from the living room, as I said, the kitchen looks like this, and if we go behind it, this is our breakfast cabinet. And as you can see, we are still missing all those lists, but yeah, you can really see what it will look like now, at least. This is what it looks like from the other side. Floor. And this is like the view from the kitchen island. I'm so happy with this, really satisfied. And the dining room, I really love it. The only thing I'm not sure about are these curtains, so please let me know what you think. The thing is, they need to be super wide for this to work, since those walls are like bigger than normal curtains needs to be. So yeah, but I'm not sure about it. I wanted something not too white, so that's why I got these natural white. And yeah, I'm not sure about the color. It looked better in the pictures, of course, as always. Anyways, the table, we've made it ourselves. Really love it. Love the black chairs. And I'm not gonna show you the bedroom today, but I'm going to insert some videos from earlier that I filmed earlier. Okay, so we have kitchen, we have this amazing bookshelf that I can't say how much I love that one. It's wow. It gives so much character to this apartment, and yeah, obsessed also with this lamp. We only need to get a dimmer, for it, because it's super strong, and it's good if you want to work here or do something like do it yourself things or anything, but for eating it's too strong, so we need to get a dimmer for that one. Okay, let's move on to here. You can see we are still missing a bit of the floor, and we haven't yet painted this one black, and we have some lists missing, but oh, anyways. The floor continues here, and I love this herringbone floor because look how pretty it looks when you have it like in all the rooms, and you can see it from all the rooms. Obsessed, obsessed. And this, I don't think a lot has changed here since I did my last renovation update. This is still just a corner that I don't know what to do with. This is what it will look like now, and then later on, you know, when the renovation is done and I can really feel what I want and what I need, that's when I will do and fix this. But for now, I think this is pretty, I think it's working, and yeah. These are our built-in closets. The foundation is from Pax, IKEA Pax, and then Juna has done a great job, let me tell you, to build them in. I'm so impressed, honestly, with that result. They are amazing. And then on this side we have his little computer corner. And yeah, here as well, I don't like the curtains, but I have other ones. I'm gonna add more curtains so that I have two different white ones here. I think that will look better as well. And here we have sort of a bookshelf as well, but I haven't really styled that one yet either, so that's something I will do, of course. And then I think we're going to need a new chair. This one is so dirty, but don't know if you can tell, but let me know what you think about the renovation so far. As I said, I'm so happy with the result, and I can't wait till the rest of the apartment is done and I can start working, really like working with all the interior and details and decorations, because now it's not like I'm in a hurry. I want to see the renovation first and do the renovation first, and then I can start thinking more about details. But I hope you enjoyed this view renovation update, and check out Nova Floor if you are in need of a new floor, or you're renovating or building a house, because I can really recommend their services and their beautiful high quality floors. Really amazing. See you in my next video. Bye!